Hey guys, I'm over here at Karen's house real quick. Hello! And we are going to be checking out her vehicle. We're going to program her garage door opener. So this is about the most requested piece of information that everybody asks of me. So we're going to start right off the bat. My foot is off of the brake, and then is inside the cup holder, so we're good there. We turn the vehicle on in accessory mode, and now we're ready to jam. All right, so first things first, we want to clear those old codes. So we're going to go to buttons 1 and 2 and clear those out. And now, those flashing lights mean we are good to go. All right, so the next bit is a little bit of a running task. So with the garage door open, we're gonna go all the way to your garage door motor. All right, everybody, so this is a little bit different garage door opener than I'm sure everybody has, but you should have a program or learning button. We're gonna push and hold that until we see lights flashing, and now we're in learn mode. And run back to the car. Whee! Hi, Karen. And now the final step. We're gonna push 1 time. We're gonna push 2 time. We're gonna push 3 time. Look what happened. And with that little bit of magic, we'll see you on the next round. Thanks, guys.